because after the honeymoon, after the great part, both of retirement and of moving abroad, it is likely that there will hit a slump in energy, in positive view in life, because, okay, the novelty, the adrenaline is over. Now what? So, one tip is to see how much you are tied, your identity and how you see yourself is tied to either your location and or to what you do in life. And what do you do about it? So, one thing to do is to have routines. That one of the things that people talk about the most is that when they're retired, they don't have time, they don't have a schedule, they don't have any place to go to. And while that is great for a while, it wears off, and it's good to have a framework. So find classes to take, find groups, sports, activities that have a time frame, like a place to go, a start time, an end time.